We'll guide you through how to fix Dropbox sync issues quickly and efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Dropbox on your desktop and make sure you're logged in to the correct account. Then, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable, as this is often a common cause of sync problems. Next, go to the Dropbox icon in your system tray or menu bar, click on it, and then select the gear icon to open the preferences. Here, you want to navigate to the Account tab and ensure that your Dropbox is linked to the correct account. If everything looks good, click on the Sync tab. Make sure the selective sync feature isn't causing any issues. Sometimes certain folders might be unchecked, which means they won't sync. If needed, adjust these settings to include all the necessary folders you need syncing. Another important step is to check if there are any files with sync issues. Dropbox will show these with a red X or an exclamation mark. You can click on them to see the error message and resolve it. Sometimes, simply renaming the file or moving it to a different folder can fix the problem. Also, ensure that your files aren't too large or exceeding your storage quota. If your storage is full, you'll need to either delete some files or upgrade your plan. Lastly, if you're still experiencing issues, you can restart Dropbox by exiting the application from the system tray and then reopening it. This can often resolve temporary glitches. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.